Bird won't get out of pantry. Go ahead, Whitney. Put the crisps up there.
Attempt 500. Come on.
Want some Coke?
Do you want some soda?
You gotta come down.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Put the crisps back up there.
Aye.
Get out of the pantry. Okay, Gizmo, you need to get out of the pantry. Gizmo. Come on, out of the pantry. You want me to give you a pet? You need to get out of the pantry. Come on. Come on, out of the pantry. Ow. Gizmo. This is not polite. Get out of the food pantry. Out. Come on. Come on. Get out of there. Not nice. Come on, Gizmo. Get out of the pantry. You can't pull cans down. You're going to hurt your little feet. Put the can back up there. Gizmo. Get out of the pantry, Gizmo. You're not going on a walk now, Gizmo.
Oh, you lost your walk.
It's ridiculous. Come on, Gizmo. Get out of there. What is your issue with the pantry, Gizmo?
Come on, the pantry isn't a bed. Ow, you meat crocker.
Get out of the pantry. Not the onions. No. Get out of the onions. Oh my gosh. You don't mess with that. You don't open the onions. Gizmo. Yeah, you see your shadow? Come on. No, we don't knock glass over. Gizmo. This is not okay. Come on. Oh my gosh, no. Where are you?
Here we go. Don't let him knock it over.
Oh my gosh, it doesn't pet you, Gizmo.
Gizmo, you got 2 humans that can give you gapes.
Get away. Get out of there, Gizmo.
Come on. This is filthy to high hell. Come on.
This is disgusting. Come on, Gizmo. This is bad. You get out. I don't care.
Hey, if you get some weird sickness, hey.
Okay, everybody. We have been on strike and standstill. We have a bird as hostage in the pantry for about the last 10 minutes. He doesn't give a flying F. He is refusing to come out, and I don't want to get bit to get him out.
He's even refusing soda.
Doesn't even want to drink.
That's a miracle.
Get out of the pantry.
He knows he's being a bad bird.
That is being a bad bird. Come. All right, take the Coke away. Try something else. Give me an animal cracker.
Those are stale.
Just give him one. He is refusing. There he goes. He's going to open up the onions. Woo! This is what we've been dealing with. Oh, it's a big bear. Oh, bear versus bird. Get out of the pantry, Gizmo. Oh my my goodness. Come on, Gizmo. Woo!
Oh, you fuck nut.
Excuse the
Sorry.
language. Let's go, Gizmo. Get out.
Wow. You are quite the stubborn beard, you know that?
Foul. Gizmo foul.
Oh, see, now you're cornered. What you gonna do now?
You ain't got nowhere to go but come out.
Are you ready?
Step up. You ain't got nowhere to go.
Come on.
We have to corner you.
Get your little foot.
You have nowhere to go, Gizmo.
Give me your little foot. Before I break your little foot.
Gizmo, you have nowhere to go. Get out. You almost had him.
I did, but I got scared.
He has no choice. Come on, Gizmo.
Let's go. Ow, you turd. You bit me.
Get out, Gizmo. Even the cat's over here watching. Get out, Gizmo.
Come on.
We have a standoff.
Let's go.
The bear's gonna get closer and closer. You gotta come out. Get out of the pantry.
Come on. Let's go.
Oh, you almost had him.
Turd. Look. See, now that's moved, and you're gonna get even more cornered. See? See how this works? Let's get out your little turd. Oh.
He's clenching.
Chicky.
What's to do?
The dogs need a walk. Come on.
Gizmo, come on.
Come on, man.
It's not a way to get gafes.
This is a way to get sentenced to a cage.
You're not gonna go on a walk with us now. You gotta watch his little feet.
Yes, I knew. I wouldn't actually break his feet.
I didn't say that. Come on, Gizmo. YouTube Nation, you see what we deal with? Trying to get him out but not hurt him. Come on, Gizmo.
Wow, now
Come
he's
on,
sitting.
let's go.
Ow! Ooh. Careful!
He bit me. Not nice. Why do you want the pantry? That's foul. You're going to your cage. That's bad. That's a bad bird. He never does this, and especially never bites.
But since Daddy's away on vacation,
He's gonna play us.
he's gonna be a little stinker.
Because if Daddy goes over there and says, step up right now, and puts his hand down there, he'll step up. But of course, he's not going to because he's not here.
Do we need to get Daddy on FaceTime? Ooh.
Gizmo, I got other stuff to do. We gotta do another video. Gizmo, get out.
No, not the onions.
What is the deal, Gizmo? You need to come out. Yeah, give him one of those. Nobody's gonna eat it. Cookie, you better not eat it.
Oh God, Kiki, please no. Like you're a good girl. Here. Do you want?
Pistachio.
Do you want something that'll kill you?
Well, he can have that.
I thought birds can't have pistachios.
Dogs can't. Have him step up.
Come on. You want this? You gotta step up. Don't wink at me. You want this? Look. Gotta step up. Step up.
Let him taste it. Okay, step up. Now get him. Get him.
Come on. Come on.
Once he had the other finger up, you have... Yep, he's got the hand up. Grab it. Grab that foot that you had up.
Give him a minute.
Once he puts the foot up, you grab the foot that's up. Go. Oh, foul. He's gonna drop it to bite you.
Yep.
Eat the box. Eat the box.
God, the death grip.
Goodness.
Look, Miss Bear's closing in again. No, no onions.
Get out, Gizmo.
What's attacking you? Oh, you foul creature.
Oh. He's tearing that box out.
You are not going to get any gifts from me today.
He's gonna go to his cage. Get out, Gizmo.
You've lost all gifts for today. Titoed. Alright, he's pissed. Yeah,
20 minutes on.
20 minutes on, I trying to act cute. Me and Kim had to do a little team up and corner him.
We had to corner him, put a broom under his legs, the pan over his head so she could grab him. Is that right, Gizmo? Say hello.
Oh, don't say hello.
Hello. Was that fun for you? Now you're acting all cute? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hey, wait a minute. Your side of town has
That's not fun for us, Gizmo.
Well, your side has the grocery store.
Aww. No, he gave a kiss.
Can we cross
Don't you bite me.
kids to school?
No, sir.
Going to the cage. Time out.